this is now a new season of hope. We now have the conviction to say to the whole world that Filipinos, rich and poor, young and old, we will end poverty together.
Pilipino kang mayaman, malaya ng isinilang.
For the rest of the year, we might not see each other, but once a year, we come and have a big reunion like this. We will go around town, we will go around the country, we will see the beauty of this country, and wherever we go, our footprints will not just be a mark, but our footprints will be a testament, a legacy that these people build the lives of everybody that they passes through.
Kung lilipad ka, Pilipino,
Kung mabisay kakapay,
lipad, Pinoy, lipad. Sa unos, wag
It's been a
kang
fantastic experience. I'm very fortunate that my husband and I were able to come out here and participate in the Bayani Challenge. Living in the States, we don't have an opportunity to see the homeland and all the poverty and the work that needs to be done here. So it's been a fantastic experience, really eye-opening for a lot of us and very moving. So it's really emotional for me right now too.
Nakita ko lahat ng ibang tao na galing sa ibang bansa pupunta dito tsaka galing all over the Philippines para tumulong at taos puso nilang binibigay ang lahat. Para sa akin, yun ang pinakamabigat na lesson na natutunan ko dito. Yung magbigay ka lang na magbigay na wala kang inaasahang kapalit.
binigay ni Bakhala ang bawat bunga ng tagumpay. Di balik sa pinagmulan. Pilipino kang mayaman,
nakakataba sa puso na makita na meron din mga estudyante na handang magbigay ng oras para sa mga tao dito sa Bantayan. Pumunta kami sa isang eskwelahan, nagbigay kami ng storytelling sa kanila. Nakita ko sa mga batang ito na dahil sa ginagawa ng Gawad Kalinga ay may pag-asa at may magandang kinabukasan para sa kanila.
kung lilipad ka, Pilipino.
Kung mabisay
Lipad, Pinoy, lipad. Sa unos, wag kang paanod.
Let's be part of the solution. Let's not be cynics and critics, always looking for mistakes. Today there are thousands of us, tomorrow there will be millions.
Lipad, Pinoy, lipad. Lumipad, patungo.
We as citizens, we have to build that sense of nationhood. We have to build solidarity. Whether you're Catholic, you're non-Catholic, you're Muslim, you're non-Muslim, we have to build solidarity because that is the only way.
We have a beautiful country. We have a wonderful people. Anong klaseng buhay meron tayo kung wala kang pinaglalaban? You need to have a cause. We go out and say, no, we will grant the wish of the poor. We will grant the dreams of every Filipino. I believe this is the picture of our country. Because ito ang totoong kwento ng Pilipinas, hindi ang gulo. At may problema tayo sa kahirapan, but nandito ang solusyon.
Sabihin nyo sa buong mundo, nakita nyo na ang mukha ng bagong Pilipinas at ang mukha ng bagong Pilipino. Nandito siya ngayon sa Bantayan.